OnePro ST Backpack User Guide. The OnePro ST Super Telephoto Backpack features the Aris frame suspension carry system, delivering exceptional support and weight reduction for enhanced comfort. How do I adjust the carry system? Separate the Velcro inside the back panel and adjust the back length to fit your height. Press the Velcro to secure it in place. With the backpack on, position the waist belt on your hips and tighten the straps. Adjust both sides of the chest strap to a comfortable position. Buckle it and adjust the tension. Finally, adjust the load lifter straps. How do I detach the waist belt? Press down on the waist belt to release the inner Velcro. Then smoothly pull the belt out. To install, thread the buckle section through the inner channel of the back panel. Then pull the remaining part of the strap out from the other side of the backpack and press the Velcro to secure it in place. How do I store my camera gear? Unzip the main compartment of the backpack. This is where you can store cameras and lenses. Lift off and adjust the Velcro dividers based on the size of your lens. After positioning the dividers appropriately, press down on the Velcro to ensure it attaches securely. Place the lens camera junction point into the padded divider slot, then secure with Velcro straps. The zippered mesh pocket also stores teleconverters and other accessories. Where can I store my batteries, power banks, and accessories? After organizing the main compartment, place the batteries in the dedicated battery pouch within the side pocket and label their charge levels if needed. You can store cables, card holders, and other small items in the zippered pocket on the opposite side. Store frequently used items like power banks in the front of panel pocket. How can I store my tripod? Insert the tripod into the side pocket and tighten the upper compression strap to firmly secure it in place. Where can I pack my clothing, ground mats, water bottles, and other essential gear? The front elastic mesh panel stores lightweight gear like clothing. The base compression strap secure bulkier items like ground mats. Conveniently store water bottles or radios in the shoulder strap pockets. The shoulder straps feature dedicated quick-release mounts for camera clips. The backpack side panels feature mall webbing for modular pouch attachment. How can I secure the backpack to a trolley? Thread the straps through the daisy chain on the side of the backpack for easy, fast, and secure fastening. Access lenses via the front panel without removing the backpack. How and when should I use the rain cover? Unlike the backpack's dark night camo pattern, the rain cover features leaf camouflage for environment-adaptive concealment. The rain cover protects your backpack and gear from rain. In addition, by pressing the cord lock on the elastic drawstring, you can fully unfold the rain cover and use it as a temporary moisture-proof ground mat. Where should I position my AirTag? Locate the AirTag care label inside the top flap. Then insert the tracker into the concealed pocket behind it.